Hi, I'm Chris McNally. I'm Department Chair for Applied Technologies here at Hudson Valley Community College. We're here celebrating our NC3 National Signing Day, which is where we bring students who are going to be entering the college in the fall in our technical areas. We bring them in and we praise them just like we do for our star athletes who come in. They're going to be big football players and they get a signing day and they get to put a hat on. We do the same thing for our students who are coming in, who are going to be building and maintaining our country. So the people who are keeping your cars running, the people who are fixing the lights in your house, who are building the buildings that you work in, these people need to be celebrated. So we're bringing them in and we're thanking them and we're giving them credit for the choices that they've made, coming here to Hudson Valley Community College and getting that great education that's going to start them onto a path to a great career.